first asks you to draw this graph. Okay. Of course, you will take points. You will do that x and y coordinates and plot it, right? You will get something like this. This the red curve. Okay, the red curve. This one. Then he says after you've done that, he says by drawing a suitable line, solve this equation. The equation you had plotted was this, and he's asking you to solve this equation, right? He's asking you when is this value equal to 0 for what x, for what x. Okay, so what you have to do is first you have to convert, you have to get this into this, but this is very different from this. So what I do is I take these two to the other side. I get 3.5 minus 2x is equal to this, but I still don't have minus 1. So I subtract minus from 1 from the left hand side. I'll have to also subtract from the right hand side. So I get this, and I get 2 into 0.5 on the this thing left hand side, and is equal to this on the right hand side. So this means when these two will be equal, when these two will be equal, this will become 0. Okay? This whole expression will become 0. So for on the graph, that means that when these two graphs intersect, they are intersecting at this point. They they are intersecting here at this point. This is this graph, this is this graph. They intersect here. Then this will become equal to 0. Notice this becomes equal to 0. That means this graph becomes the y value becomes 0. That means it intersects the x axis at this point. See the x coordinate there and the x coordinate here are same. So that means these two graphs, that was the question. He had asked you that question. Draw a line. He had asked you draw a line, suitable line to solve this equation. So the line you have to draw is 2.5 minus 2x equal to this, because when these two become equal, this equation becomes 0, because 2 into, I have done that, I have explained that. So you understood what's happening, that when this curve hits the x-axis, that means it has become at this x, at x is equal to 1.3650, this becomes equal to 0 because it hits the x-axis, and at that point these two curves also meet. So you have drawn this graph, you draw this graph, which is a straight line, to solve this equation. The meeting points of these two solves this equation. This equation can't be solved easily by normal algebraic mathematics. If you can plot these two graphs wherever they intersect, that will give you the solution to this. Did you understand or no?